Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bitwarden on iOS step by step clearly. Open the Bitwarden app on your iOS device. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, you will be greeted with the login screen. Enter your email address associated with your Bitwarden account. Next, input your master password in the designated field. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to provide your 2FA code. Retrieve your 2FA code from your authentication app or email. Enter the 2FA code into the provided field. After filling in your details, tap on the Login button. Once logged in, you will see your vault with all your stored items. To add a new item, tap the plus icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select the type of item you wish to add, such as a login or secure note. Fill in the necessary fields with your information. Once completed, tap on Save to store the new item in your vault. You can now access your saved passwords and other information securely. To log out, go to the settings by tapping on the gear icon. Select Log Out at the bottom of the settings menu. Confirm the log out when prompted. You have successfully authenticated with Bitwarden on iOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.